Namaste everyone, welcome to practice. Today's class is gentle morning yoga practice. It is suitable for all the experience levels. No props needed. When you are ready, let's begin. Today we are going to start the class by lying down on our backs. You can just have your knee bent, feet flat on the floor, about hip width distance apart. Relax your shoulders down, away from your ears, palms facing up to the sky. Just take a moment here to ground yourself and get settled. Take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. I want you to feel your lower back push down into the mat so that you are not lifting the rib cage up. So a little bit of core engagement here. Feel the breath go all the way down to your lower belly while maintaining the connection of your lower back pressing into the ground. We will pull our right knee in towards the belly. Stretch your left leg out in front of you. You can roll your right ankle in clockwise rotation, maybe flexing and pointing through your toes. You can reverse the direction of these circles. Keep reaching out long through your left leg, really pushing down into your left heel. You will carry this over into a gentle twist. You can cross your right thigh over your body towards the left. Reach the right arms out to the side. Try to push the right shoulder blade into the mat. Try to press the right knee down towards the floor with the left hand. Find the nice, easy breath rhythm. We will come all the way back to the center. Just switch the side. You can straighten your right leg and now pull the left knee in towards you. Trace some circles with your left toes rolling through your ankle. Lengthening your right leg, try to push the back of your knee into the mat. Shoulders are away from your ears. Reverse the motion of the circle. The next time you exhale, find your twist. We are going to cross the left thigh over the body. Left arm reach out to the side, pushing the left shoulder blade into the mat. Big few breaths here. Releasing back to center. Bend both the knees, feet flat to the floor. Let's come into bridge pose, Dandasana. Your feet are hip width distance apart. Push your feet into the ground, squeeze through your seat and lift your hips, lower back and middle back off the mat. A big breath in to press your seat up a little bit higher and then exhale, roll down inch by inch, nice and slow. Let's cross the right ankle over the top of our left knee. You are pushing the right thigh and the knee away from you. You can heel go with your arm and see if you are able to pull that left knee in towards your chest. It might feel good just to kind of rock a little bit side to side. Try to relax the head and the shoulders. You are only using the little bit of arm strength, getting a big stretch through that right glute. Simply release your left glute back down. You can straighten the right leg up towards the sky. Just alternate flexing and pointing through that right glute. You will notice this can really change the sensation of the stretch as you get into our hamstring. Let's find the reclined pigeon on the other side. Cross the left ankle over the top of your right knee. When you are ready, pull that right thigh in towards the chest. You can rock a little bit side to side. only going as deep into poses as feels right and comfortable. This morning we are really not trying to push ourselves. This is meant to be a gentle. Release the right foot back down to the floor. Let's take the hamstring stretch. Extend the left leg up towards the sky. Extend your left leg up towards the sky. You can definitely have a bend in your knees here. It does not need to be perfectly straight. You can definitely have a bend in your knees here. It does not need to be perfectly straight. Just alternate your flexing and point to that left foot. Now, pull your knees in towards your belly and just rock up so that you can come to a seated pose. Next, come to your palms and the knees. Tabletop position, Dharmanasana. Here, I want you to tuck your toes, lift the knees up and the hip up and the back to the downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. You can absolutely have a big bend in your knees here as you reach your chest towards the thighs. Relax your neck so that your head can hang heavily. Maybe just alternate bending one knee, straightening the other leg. Push into your fingertips and the knuckles. Come forward into a plank pose onto our belly. Next asana, Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Your hands side to the chest. Push your palms into the mat. Reach your tailbone towards the heel and lift up the chest. Elbows in. Bring the heart forward. Let's press the palm and press the hip back on the heel to child pose, Balasana. Bring the toes together, knees as width as you would like them to be. The wider they are, the more intensely you will feel the stretch through the inner thigh. Walk your hands forward and just bring your forehead. We can use this morning practice to help really set the tone for the day. Staying present with yourself here. 2 more deep breaths. Slowly walk your hands in. Just come in to take a seat. You can sit in any way that is comfortable to you here, that works for your lower back and your hips. Next, I'm going to bring my left hand to my right knees. I'm just going to drop the left here to the left shoulder. We are working on just stretching the right side of the neck. You can stretch the right fingertips out just to little neck release here. Lifting your head back up to the center. Send the right hand behind you and open into twist. Reach that crown of your head up and stay long and tall through your spine. Slowly back to center. We'll do the same with the other side. Right hand grab hold to the left knee. This time I'm going to drop my right here towards the right shoulder. You can stretch the left arm out. Just a neck release on the left side. Lifting your head back up. Send the left hand back behind you for the twist. Pull the lower belly in and press your shoulders down. Twist and gauge towards your left shoulder. Slowly coming back through the center. Just send your both the hands behind you and stay up on your fingertips. Lift the chest up towards the sky. Think of squeezing your shoulder blades behind you. Bend your elbows a little bit and imagine you are trying to bring your elbows together to touch as you lift through your chest. Back to the center. Let's bring the hand at the front of the heart, Anjali Mudra. Deep breath here. Consider how you want your day to go. Notice how just 10 minutes of gentle movement can have a positive impact on how you are feeling. Let's close our practice by chanting Om one time together. Inhale, As you exhale, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's gentle morning yoga practice. If you would like to be practice more videos like this, don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment and share the videos with your friends or family members and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again. I hope you have a most wonderful day.